Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Eck. I'm the store manager of the Boathouse in Naples. Today I wanted to talk to you all a little bit about our prepaid maintenance. What that is a package maintenance plan that covers your 20-hour and up to 3 100-hour services. The benefits of that are: one, you get tomorrow's services at today's labor rates. You get discounted services on that package. You get free pickup and redeliveries, as well as your lift in and out fees. And you get put on a VIP list to make sure you're taken care of. We offer everything at our dealerships, from new boat sales, used boat sales, and as well as the full service department. So we like to have the offerings for our customers to be able to take care of them and make sure their boats are maintained on a proper schedule. If you have any questions for us on that, please feel free to contact us. You can check us out on our website at www.boathouseh2o.com or on any of our social media accounts. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.